She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. She's a Mona Lisa.
Okay, so we're just going up to the studio. This is the studio. It's not really a studio. It's more like, I don't know, there's like the gym here, and then we have the bath area. So yeah, I'm just gonna show you, where's my Olaplex, how I use Olaplex number 3. So on the back it does say to shampoo after using it. However, because I have product in my hair, if anyone has like any kind of product in your hair, you should really shampoo beforehand. So I use this shampoo, it's by Meow. I think I'm pronouncing that wrong, but yeah, so it's like a strengthening shampoo. It's with some biotin. It's quite an expensive one. Well, not expensive, but more expensive than your average, like, you know, Superdrugs or drugstore shampoo. I think it was maybe either £12 or £15. But honestly, I'm just a product junkie. Like, you don't have to buy an expensive shampoo. But this one, I feel like out of every expensive shampoo that I've ever bought, I would say this one feels expensive. Like, I bought some that just feel basic. So I use that along with this brush. It's like a silicone brush, you can see, and I just use it all the time when I wash my hair. It just helps me to cleanse my scalp better. Like, I used to always struggle washing my hair. So I've shampooed my hair is nice and clean, and I'm just going to put a bunch of the Olaplex on.
Take me on this journey home. I don't wanna wait no more. Lay me down behind the moon. Tell me you'll be on real soon. I don't wanna wait no more. We could be dancing in the stars.
Okay, so that's that. I'm supposed to now leave it in my hair for 10 minutes at least. I'll probably leave it for about 20 minutes, maybe half an hour. But yeah, I just wanted to talk about my experience with Olaplex. So I do think it works. It definitely makes my hair feel stronger and better when I use it. I definitely think if you have relaxed hair, texturized hair, chemically treated hair, and dyed hair, especially bleached hair, you need some sort of bond builder. You don't have to have Olaplex, but I do think a good bond builder is a necessity. My hair's not like relaxed, but I mean, it's still chemically straightened. This is not the hair that I was born with, and I think with any kind of treatment that you do, whether it be relaxing your hair, dyeing your hair blonde, even a boob job, like, you have to kind of incorporate all the things that you need in order to keep your shit together. And I do think that you do need a bond builder if you have any kind of chemically treated hair. Protein treatments as well, I do think you should use both. Like today I'm going to use my K-Pack one. Where is it? So this is the protein treatment I use. It says high intense hydrator, but really it has quite a lot of protein in. It has keratin, it has amino acids, it has all of that good stuff, hydrolyzed wheat protein, all of that stuff, and I love this. Again, this one is quite expensive, but you can use like any protein treatment really. You can feel the difference in your hair straight away. I like the other one as well. They also have like a deep one that's called a reconstructor, and that definitely gives your hair strength. Like, it definitely feels very strong afterwards. You do need to follow up though with a really good moisturizing mask, because it is quite intense. Do I think it's a miracle product? I mean, it works. It's a product that works, which every product should do. Is it gonna save your hair if you don't have a good hair routine? No, it's not. If you're really rough with your hair, if you're not treating it right, if you're not doing all the things that you need to do, but you're using Olaplex, no, it's not gonna save your hair. I'm gonna rinse out the Olaplex now, and then I'm gonna use my protein treatment, then follow up with my, where is it? I'll show you. I'm gonna follow up with my moisturizing treatment. This is the No, it's not. This is the Hydration Elevation by As I Am. It's a good product. I like quite a lot of different deep conditioners. I would say my must-have products are definitely the Olaplex and the K-Pack. In conditioner 2, this is the Sheer Moisture Silicone-Free Miracle Styler Leave-In Treatment. I use this all the time after I finish my hair. And then I will go in with a bit of this when I style my hair. It's the As I Am So Much Moisture. This I use, I don't always use this after I wash my hair, but I definitely use this pretty much every other day to moisturize and seal my hair. And then this is the oil I use to seal my hair. It's the Jojoba Oil. Jojoba, yes, it's Jojoba Oil.
Why don't you home with me? 'Cause space makes me sad.
Okay, so I'm just going to give you guys my final thoughts on Olaplex while my hair's like deep conditioning. So Olaplex is a bond builder. It's not a protein treatment and it's not a conditioner. Obviously, that's why I have conditioner in my hair now. But so it builds the bonds of your hair together. I haven't used anything else, so there are other bond builders, but again, they are kind of marketed to look like Olaplex. So I would probably go for this one. It's not the same as the one in the hair salon, so it doesn't work as well as that one, but it's a very good alternative and probably the best alternative. If you guys ever find the alternative bond builder that you think is great, let me know because I would like to save some money. I decided to just go for the Olaplex because I feel like if I don't ever try, then I'll never know if it was worth it. I think if you don't have colored hair and you don't have any kind of chemically treated hair, relaxed hair, texturized hair, then I probably wouldn't go for this. There probably is a different thing that you can go for, maybe a protein treatment. So I've conditioned my hair, I'm deep conditioning my hair now. This is actually the towel that I got from that job that I did with Coco and Eve. Yeah, this is the matching robe as well, look. But yeah. Deep conditioning now. I'm just gonna go and wash out my hair. So yeah, thank you for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed it and I will see you in the next video.